Today we're going to be making pita with cheese. It have a similar taste to burek, but it's so much easier to make it. Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav and I love to cook. I was born and raised in old Yugoslavia. I moved to the United States in 1986 when I was 22 years old. Often I get nostalgic over a good life we had. When I get that feeling, I put Yugoslavian music in the background and I start to cook old and some forgotten recipes. You're going to need 450 grams Filo dough, 400 grams feta cheese, 1.5 cups sour cream, 680 grams cottage cheese, and 3 eggs. Start crumbling feta cheese into small pieces unless it's already crumbled. Add sour cream, add cottage cheese, add 2 eggs. And mix it all well. Make sure you oil the bottom of the pan well so the pita doesn't stick to it. Now get 3 sheets of Filo and start spreading fill. Make sure you spread the fill all the way from the left to the right. And it doesn't matter if you spread it from top to bottom because we're going to be rolling the whole thing. Now just roll the whole thing down. Repeat these steps about 9 to 10 more times until you run out of fill or Filo. Use a little bit of oil and egg to cover the top. Bake it at 360 degrees for 45 minutes. I really hope you love the recipe. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.